Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the camera lens frame by undoing screws. Undo 4 screws and lift the camera lens cover using a pry tool. Next, take out the SIM tray and disconnect the fingerprint plug. Next, take out the mid-frame by undoing 13 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening and separate the back car frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, from the right hand side, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the battery by loosening the adhesive. First, loosen the adhesive on both sides and then lift it using the tab. Next, unplug the LCD plug and both antenna heads from the board. Next, gently take out the logic board using a tweezer. Next, apply heat and take out the earpiece and button flex unit from the body. Next, move to the bottom and then lift the loudspeaker buzzer. And then lift the charging board by disconnecting the other LCD connector plug. Next, apply heat and take out the vibrator motor from the body. Now, the only remaining part is the broken front screen assembly with the frame and buttons. For the replacement, there are two different screen types in the market. The one is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, used or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. And also, the price difference is not that big. I would recommend you to go with the screen with frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place the button flakes on the frame. Next, place the logic board in the body. Next, place the vibrator motor in the body. Next, place the charging port board in the body. Next, place and secure both antenna heads to the board. Next, place the speaker cover. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the battery connector and place the mid frame in the body by securing 13 screws. And also secure the SIM tray and the fingerprint plug. Next, place the camera in its frame by adding 4 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.